Hello, you are at the right place. My name is Gloria. You are welcome if today is the first time coming across this channel. And thanks to all my returnees for always coming back. Yes, today we're making light soup papabi. Yes, with fresh mackerel and some crabs. Stay tuned. Ingredients for today's recipe. I have here mackerel and 3 crabs. That's akata. Okay, so here I have cured beef. That's tolo beef and some chopped onions. I have black peppercorn here. I have here 1 garden eggs in torwa. I have here tomatoes, fresh and beautiful tomatoes. And here I have 1 habanero peppers and red dried chili pepper. Ginger, thumbnail size, and 3 cloves of garlic. Here I have 4 teaspoon of tomato paste, and here 1/2 teaspoon parsley and 1/2 teaspoon anise seeds and 1/2 chopped onions. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the anise seeds and the parsley. I'm going to add the peppers and the garlic and the ginger. They are all going in here right now. We're going to blend it, add a little bit of water, and then I'll add some of the black pepper here. So now I'm going to add a little bit of the blended. So here I'm going to add my with some onion and a little bit of water and let it steam. Pour in here our blended onions and the spices here. I'm gonna rinse the blender more and add it. Now I'm adding my tomato paste. Baka. Oh, they are not so I can. Okay, now the tomato goes in here. My garden egg is already steamed or cooked already, so I don't need to add it in here. So not forgetting our garden eggs. So now our blended tomatoes goes in here. Gonna add a little bit of water. Okay. Okay, our soup is see our tolo beef. Now here is our fish and our okato. They are going in the soup now. See that? Okay. Fish and okato. Okay. So I added in one bell pepper, red one, and some 3 more habanero peppers. Don't even see nothing. Okay, so our soup is done. Beautifully done. See? Tastes good. You see, the fish still has its shape. No broken, no messy. Wahala. Food is done. Our soup is done. Done, done, done. Beautiful. Smells so good. So see, look how this blender blended the banchi. You see, so smooth. So fufu.